Mobile silent. $27. We are done with NumPy, I guess. Okay. I have shared this. Yeah. Cool. Let's move on. So the point is, after math, we have started feature engineering. Get ready. After feature engineering, what is the topic? Machine learning. So we done these are all, I guess, yesterday. First one. Did I cover at least one example? No, I guess. Here I stopped, I guess, right? Okay, good. Let me continue. Boss, to write a Python program in a data, I'm sorry. To write a program in Python, you have to install Python. To do the data analysis, to do what exactly? Data analysis, we have to install pandas. To do the data visualization, to do what exactly? Data visualization, you have to install either Matplotlib or what exactly? Seaborn actually. Now Daniel, either feature engineering or machine learning we are going to start. What we are going to start? Machine learning. You have to install one library. That library name is called as a scikit-learn actually. What is that one, sir? Scikit-learn. What is the meaning of scikit-learn? Scientific kit. What is that? Scientific kit actually. It is a scientific kit. So make a note on this. When it comes to scientific kit, here not underscore hyphen symbol. What symbol? Hyphen symbol actually. Good. Now let me show you how to install. You will get an idea. What we need to do is, I hope I already installed. I will uninstall and I can reinstall. You will get an idea. Let me just try to do that. Scikit-learn. Okay, sorry. Scikit-learn. We are good to go. Yeah, good. Let's move on. Now let me show you how to install. pip install scikit-learn. Then it is being getting installing. Yeah, it is collecting. It takes some little time. Focus on this. Yeah, you can, I will come here and you can ignore this theory as of now. Please look at my screen. All right. Here onwards, the actual cinema will start actually, feature engineering. Good. Look at my screen. Initially, we would have these two columns. Initially, we have only two columns. First column name is a company. The next column name is a role. So in the first column company, the next column is the role. Now, though this one is a categorical data, kind of some string data, Daniel, I just wanted to I wanted to convert from string data to what exactly, categorical data. Yeah, we can do that actually. We can do that. Then even this one is a categorical data. I wanted to create a numerical data. The topic name is called as a feature engineering. What do you mean by feature engineering? From the feature, creating the new feature is called as a feature engineering. Daniel, how to do that? Very simple, man. Make a note on this. Very simple. Let me explain. You will get an idea. First of all, create a data frame. Okay, cool. So let me show you how to create a data frame. Yeah. Now I'm creating this. This is the dictionary. Good. And the next one will be a data frame. I'm creating the data frame. Now let me run this example. Data frame successfully created. Am I right? Now, Daniel, for this one, would you have a categorical data? I just wanted to create a numerical data. Then how to create, very simple, man. Very simple. First, what we need to do is create an object to the label encoder class. There is a one predefined class, sir. Daniel, how can you say that is a class actually? Simple, starting with the capital letter. Starting with, import the class, create an object, call a method. Import the class, create an object, call a method. What is the method name? Fit_transform. Good. Let me just try to, import the class. So-and-so class, it is available inside sklearn dot pre-processing actually. What do you mean by sklearn? Now let me tell you. What we have installed is initially, scikit-learn name is called as sklearn. Scikit-learn name is called as what exactly? Later they changed the name actually, renamed to scikit-learn. Renamed to what exactly? Scikit-learn. Still backend package names, they are maintaining the same actually. We have installed scikit-learn, but we have to import what exactly? sklearn. Did you understand? Right. So we have installed. Yeah, good. Scikit-learn, correct. But we need to import. sklearn actual. Make a note on this. Yeah, Daniel. So-and-so class, it is available in sklearn dot pre-processing. Then you can create an object for this. We are creating an object for this. I understand. No, sir. Valid point. But we have to install scikit-learn only. We no need to install sklearn. Good question. Hey, Daniel, then do I need to install sklearn also? No, not required. Not required. Only scikit-learn is more than enough. More than enough actually. Sorry, I didn't understand. Sir, let me tell you, if you are interested, You can try to install sklearn also. It is being getting installing, but it will give small warning actually, and kind of some small warning it will give. You no need to install, these are all things actually. So best example, see, it is kind of some breaking package, not at all required. See, even though sklearn is not available in my laptop, scikit-learn still it is working. That's what I mean to say. You no need to install this. Did you understand or not? Let's continue. Thank you. Thank you for being patient. See, let's continue. Back to the session. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, you are adding a column. You are adding a column. Quite interesting. Otherwise, if the column name is already existing, old values are replacing with new operation. Good, new values. Right? You know, by using this object name, you need to call a method. Method name is a fit underscore transform. Now, what we need to do, you know, this method takes care automatically that column values. Where are all categorical data, especially alphabetical data. What data, sir? According to the alphabetical, which one is the first one actually? G letter. Then where are all Google is available, it is replacing with the, it is pointing the value as a 0, and the next one will be L. L actually. Now this one is a 1. T means what is a letter actually? Kind of some. Next one is a 2. Did you understand? Right. Now here onwards, ML algorithm, when you are thinking about the Google, how it will understand? 0. Kind of some coding and decoding, sir. That's it. Are you with me? Hey Daniel, why these values? Why these values? You know, because machine yesterday I covered actually. Overall missed yesterday. Yesterday you missed a lot actually. Important session. ML algorithm will accept numerical data only. What data? Numerical data only. But we have a categorical data. What we need to do? Convert from numerical data to, convert from categorical data to numerical data. That's what we need to do. Let me create an object for this. Let me, sir, I can share this code. Hold on. Good, will run actually. Will run, you will get an idea. Good, automatically the column is created. The column name is a company underscore N. What is the column name, sir? Company underscore N. Why underscore N? Kind of some numerical column I am creating. Yeah, good. Now same thing like that, we need to create what exactly? Role also. So tell me. One more time, one more time. Ah. Okay, good one actually. Madam is telling, imagine Daniel, the first one is a Google company. Next one more company, tell me, starts with the G actually. GE, best example, GE company actually. Yeah, good. Then it goes for the, yeah, global, global large. Okay. Healthcare domain, I guess actually. Okay, good. Now let me tell you, then it can skip the first letter, it can move on with the second letter. Alphabetical order, it can do according to like that actually. Okay. Yeah. Now the second step also you can do, I am sure. How we can do, sir, second step? Take the same code, copy paste actually. And left hand side, what I need to provide, any idea? Role of N. And right hand side, what I need to provide? Now we are good to go. Successfully what we done, you know, categorical data columns we have converted into numerical data. This is called as a feature engineering. From the feature, we have created a new feature. From the feature, we have created a new feature actually. It is called as a feature engineering. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Take this one. Existing. This is also called as a converting from categorical data to numerical data. I have one small question. Piyush Kumar, please explain again actually. Okay. I have one question. Did you attend yesterday's session? Did you attend yesterday's session? No response. Piyush Kumar, please, I need quick response from you. Okay, fine then. I will give a small revision. Code, you mean to say, can I explain the code actually? Let me explain the code. Yeah. So simple. First, what we're doing, sir? We have a data frame. Yeah, good. So we have a data frame. Initially, only two columns actually. Column number 1 and column number 2. I'm sure you already know. For the existing data frame, how to add a column in pandas I covered actually. Adding a column I have covered in a pandas. The same topic here I'm using. Why the scenario I wanted to add a column? Why? Because here is a categorical data. I don't like this categorical data. Instead of categorical data, I need a numerical value. I need what value? Then it's a very simple. What we need to do is, you can just try to, create an object. You no need to create manually. You can just try to import a class. Class name is a label encoder. Class name is a label encoder. Online team, hold on. Is it okay? Do you need this slide? I say mana strain avutuniya. Do you need this slide? If you want, you can take a control actually. Okay. Now we have to import the class and we can create an object actually. By using this object, what we need to do, you just need to call a method. Method name is a fit_transform. For that method, you have to feed one column name as actually. The moment whenever you are providing this column name, this method accept this column name. Where are all categorical data we do have, according to the alphabetical, it will convert into numerical data. Then, okay, it is giving all numerical values, right? I wanted to add one column. Column name is a column, company underscore n actually. Piyush Kumar, did you understand? Then sorry for saying, if you wanted to understand this line, little pandas knowledge is important actually. Okay. Yeah, great question then. This is really great question. Our friend what is asking, good question, sir. Hey Daniel, so here we are doing manually. Here we are doing what exactly manual? When we have a thousands of categories, then we have to convert that many categories data into numerical data. No doubt in that actually. We are doing the same. But let me tell you one small point. But, sir, here you need to be understand a kind of some set of values would you have. It's not like a thousands of values. Whenever you're talking about the categorical data, a set of values. Let me tell you, male and female. Only two values actually. Male and female. Go to the Titanic data set. Either survived or not survived actually. Only two values. Okay. We can see during machine learning, I can talk more and more actually. Okay, let's move on. Can I get a response? Did you understand this one? Move to the next one. Let me explain the theory. Here what we done, so online team, hold on, sir. I don't know. Sir, e light unchained, e middle light. Can somebody please take a control? Eyes are getting strained. Good. వీలైతే ఆ లైట్ ఆపేయండి. అయ్యో ఇట్స్ ఓకే. ఆ లైట్ ఆపేయండి. ఆ లైట్ ఇదే స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ చేశారు, అది మళ్ళీ వేయండి. ఓకే, అది ఆఫ్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. 1 minute, madam. Now tell me, can I stop or increase? Okay. Thank you online team, thank you for your being patient. By using this class, we can convert all categorical data into numerical data. Label encoder is a predefined class coming from sklearn pre-processing actually. Hey Daniel, how to prove? Very simple, man. To prove that one, what we need to do, it's okay, good. Just let me show you. Py import. You can just have to take this as sp as kind of some, so abc, that's okay. dir of abc. Inside of this package, the class name is called as a label encoder. Ekkada undi sir adi? Cheptara? Exactly, here it is actually. Like this, you need to cross verify. So and so package, so and so class is available. I wanted to know. You can check actually. You can check it like this. Can I get a response? Right. If you want, I can just try to add this code actually. dir is such a powerful tool actually. You will get an idea. Okay, cool. One example we done. Move on to the next example. So we need to import this class from so and so package. Once we have imported, we need to create an object actually. Yeah. And so let me tell you, fit underscore transform method. Read the method name, fit underscore transform. It is a predefined method in label encoder class. We should access this method by using so and so object. This method converts a categorical variable into numerical values automatically. Cool. Move on to the next example. Next example name is called as a min max scalar. What is the next example? One more time. Min max scalar. Okay. Min max scalar. This is kind of by using this one, you can scale in or scale up the value actually. We can. So imagine I do have a data. Yesterday I have already explained actually. So I just wanted to scale in the data. I just wanted to what exactly? Scale in the data actually. Yeah, we can do. We can do by using min max scalar technique actually. I will show you how to do that. You will get an idea. Yeah, make a note on this one. You no need to be worried about this formula. You no need to be worried about this formula. What about other encoder like a one hot encoder actually? Charanjit, thank you for being patient. See, so feature engineering is not at over actually. Just now cinema started. I will cover. Charan is asking a question. What about one hot encoder actually? Please be patient. Say, okay. I will cover what is required actually. Okay, move on. Min-max scaling is a common feature pre-processing technique, which results is the scale data within the fall of the range of 0, 1. Sir, if I show you the example, you will get an idea. Let me show you an example actually. Okay, would you have a data like a 2 columns? First column having the X value, the next one is having what exactly? Y value. I mean to say these are all X values, these are all Y values actually. Okay, cool. Now, Daniel, I just wanted to convert this X values into, I wanted to keep within the 0 to 1 range. Within the what exactly? So very simple. How simple it is, You no need to write your own program, sir. So now I have a response from you. What is this one? Come again? Class. What is the class name? Min max scalar. What is this line talking actually? Object creation. Any idea what is this syntax? That's it. That's it actually. Your task is over. Okay, good. First, let me create a data frame. We have to be strong in Python. Did I added this code, man? The code in add JSON. Yes, I done actually. Okay, okay. Yeah, import pandas as a PD. And the next one, you can call this min-max scalar class we are importing. df equals to pd dot data frame. And here you can apply d. Now let me just try to create the data frame. Data frame is ready. Good. First of all, numerical data only. But anyway, I feel like a large values. I wanted to keep x and y both within the some short within the some range of values. If you are keeping the within the range, then that is called as a scale in. What is that? Scale in. This is the very common technique actually. To do that one, you just need to import the class. The class name is a min max scalar. Okay. After you have imported the class, you need to create an object actually. That object will be min max scale equals to min max scalar, and the feature range you need to tell within what range I need to keep actually. Then within the tuple you need to tell 0 to 1. Daniel, can I give 1 to 2? We can give, but not a good practice. In real time we are keeping 0 to 1 only. In real time we are keeping 0 to 1 only. Come on, let me just try to call this. You are creating an object. Cool. Very good. Now just the object is created. This object we need to use actually. Then mm.scale of fit underscore transform team. Did I cover this point actually? Okay, let me cover one important point. It's okay. Hold on. Take this example separately. I will come here. Hold on. Listen carefully. First of all, we have a data frame. We have what exactly? Data frame. Cool. Important interview point actual. Let me cover this point, sir. Let me cover this point actually. Did I cover that then? Oh, okay, fine. Let me cover one more time. If you're calling df of so-and-so column name, then you will get a single column. You will get what exactly? Single column. Exactly. Single column in the sense, series you will get actually. What you will get, sir? Series. But if you are applying this kind of syntax, what syntax actually? Print of, so df of, again, you can just have to provide like this actually. If you are providing like this, what exactly will you get? Single column data frame. What is that? Single column data frame. Understand the syntax actually. Important. Make it chala important actually. Let's take this one. In machine learning, we are using this one. Okay. Now I mean to say this one is series. This one is single column data frame. Let me continue. Let me continue. You will get an idea. Make a note on this. Go back to, so go back to the example again. So we have created a data frame, and let me just try to print the data frame. 1 minute, let me talk with online team. Online team, I need a response from everybody. Are you following everyone? I need one response from everyone. Charan, Rishi sir, Kirti, Siddiq sir, thank you. Shafina. Okay, cool. Thank you so much for kind response. Can I close what all we are not using? This we are not going to use. This we are not going to use. Here we go. We are ready, Daniel, actually. Rishi is asking, could you please go back to the code actually? I just need to write some running notes. You mean to say this running notes, sir, actually? You mean to say this one? Sir, I can share running notes. I can upload actually in Google Classroom. Then you can. This one you mean to say? Sir, I can upload in Google Classroom. Then you can make a note actually. Good. Make a note on this one. We have created a data frame successfully. Then I just wanted to keep the feature range within the range actually. Then this one is a keyword argument you have to apply. Can I change this name actually? No. What is the output? What error? Type error. What is the description? Unexpected keyword argument. Very important. See, in Python also keyword argument topic came. Pandas also keyword argument topic came. Visualization also keyword argument. Feature engineering keyword argument. IO sir, machine learning, deep learning, everywhere keyword argument topic will come actually. You have to be focused on this one. Okay. You can just try to take this. Yeah, Daniel. Now here is the story. Let me just try to apply. So here, this method is taking single column data frame. This method is taking, what is the method name? Previously also, what is the method name? Same method. That is a possible first point actually. Go back to the Python. Count is the method. In string available, list available, tuple also available. Do you think in set available? Why? In set, why count method is not there? First of all, it will not allow duplicates. It will not allow. Then what is the need of, frequency of each value actually? Every value should be unique. That's the reason they didn't create it. Okay. The moment whenever you are passing this syntax, this method is taking single column data frame as a input actually, and it is giving what is the result? Array data. What data? That is quite interesting. That too, it is giving like a single column data. What data, sir? Single column array data it is giving. Why array? Did you remember yesterday I have covered actually? Did you remember the flow? Machine learning flow actually? Okay, hold on. First one is the data. The next one, data frame. The next one, feature engineering, Daniel. The next one, array data. The next one, ML algorithm. What algorithm? Yeah, that's what. Though you are applying feature engineering, anyway output it is giving directly array. Then you can go for machine learning algorithm directly. If it is giving again data frame, conversion required again actually. What is required, sir? Conversion. It takes little more time. That's why whenever if you are providing here fit underscore transform blah blah syntax actually, directly it is giving array data. What data, sir? Array data. Let me just try to call this one, you will get an idea. Let me just try to call this. You can just try to call this. First here I would like to print data frame. After I have applied this, I would like to print this column. Yeah. Very good, sir. Yeah, very nice. This one is a data frame. This one is a single column array. This one is a single column array actually. Okay. What would happen if you extract a column as a series actually instead of single column data frame? You can try, sir. Try to give. But this method is accepting single column data. If anyone is asking what exactly happened in the backend, like how the 10 value became like a 0, how the 20 value became like what exactly 0.25. So simple. Backend, this formula is applied automatically. What is the formula applied? This formula, sir. This formula. Min max scaling. Min max scaling. Right. So rescaled value. If you wanted to talk about every value, like kind of some 10 value equals to 10 minus. In the given total data set, what is the minimum value? Tell me, sir, what is the minimum value? 10 only. 10 minus 10. Can you talk with me? 10 minus 10. What is the result? Next calculation not at all required actually. Then that's why you got like here what exactly? 0 is the result. 0 point. By default it is giving the floating value. By default it is giving floating value computation is a super fast. If you read the DeepSeek documentation, backend they have applied floating calculation. What calculation? Do you know about the DeepSeek first of all? LLM model. So kind of some LLM model actually. Okay. Good. This diagram from where I have taken, this diagram I have taken from, there is a, good. Let me tell you. I like books reading in my free time. I used to read the books. I used to read more and more technical books actually. I used to follow only two others. Actually, especially in terms of data science. Recently one more person also included data science. The first person name is called as Jason Brownlee. What is the first person name, sir? Jason Brownlee actually. He done PhD actually in ML. I love his books and he has a separate website also. I will show you. And second person name is a Chris Alban. Second person name is a Chris Alban. And so he also done PhD. I don't know. I used to believe PhD guys. They do have a good subject actually. They can talk more. This person have created this kind of diagrams actually. Kind of some what we need to call is a it is separate name on the sir. Flash codes actually. What is this one sir? Flash codes. He created a kind of some flash codes actually. Flash codes. Now let me show you. Who is the first author name? Talk with me. Jason. Sir, such a great author. The world famous author actually. Especially on an average he had written so Jason Brownlee. Yeah, he is the one actually. He has a separate website and his website, he has a separate website actually. Machine Learning Mastery. What is the website name? Machine Learning Mastery. And he will explain the topics very nicely. See, this is not a joke. 20, so million readers annually, 100k ebooks download actually, not a joke. He have written a books. I bought every book actually, more than 20. Ayo, what is clicking? Good. So he bought almost more than 20. There are a few books which is not at all required. Each book cost will be more than $25 or something. I bought it actually. Nice author. I used to follow this one. You should know. The second one is the Chris Alban. What is the second one? Chris Alban. He have written such a great book in Amazon also. Chris Alban. Yeah. Did you notice? Chris Alban automatically what came? Flashcards. So he have created a flashcards like this actually. Just know what codes I have created. Daniel, all these important, not important, sir. Don't worry. But let me show you. Go to the Amazon. Chris Alban. Machine Learning Cookbook. He have written one nice book actually. Machine Learning Cookbook. I like his books. This one is a old book. This one is old version. Chris Alban. This one is a new version. New version. Such a great book actually. You no need to buy and not required actually. Chris Alban. Such a nice author. How much it is? 2000. Not a joke. No need to buy. Are you with me? Can I get a response from you? Yeah, good. So sometimes what we need to understand is, what is the next one? Supriya Rao. How about alias? I'm not sure, boss. Maybe good, but these are all best authors actually. These are all best authors. Okay, we are good to go. I will make a note and I will definitely look into that later. We'll share the feedback. Okay, cool. Now, so there are some diagrams I like actually. Then I have taken those diagrams. It will be helpful for you. It is called as a flashcard. Daniel, during interview, anyone ask actually? No one will not ask. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. So min-max scaling is the common feature pre-processing technique, which results in scaled data, value for what exactly fall in between the range of 0 to 1. 0 is the minimum value, 1 is what exactly? Maximum value. If we rescale the value of numerical feature, then it is in between two values actually. It is in between two values. Sir, let me tell you, reading these values literally takes some time. But reading this kind of values, it takes very less time actually. Very less time. Why? Because the value is within the 0 to 1. The value is what exactly? Yeah, there is a fast in processing. There is a very fast in processing actually. Same thing like that. I just wanted to apply for Y column also, Daniel actually. Yeah, come on, you can apply. You can still apply. Make a note on this one. At a time, two columns also can create. To create that one, what we need to do, directly you can provide. So fit underscore transform of df of and kind of some within index x comma y you can provide. And here itself df of x comma y also you can provide actually. And this is beautiful syntax. Left hand side a data frame, new data frame it is generating with the two column names directly. With two column names directly, it is replacing the value. What exactly happening? Replacing the value. Come on, let's move on. Yeah, good. This one is the old data frame. This one is the new data frame. Scaled values actually. What values mean? Scaled values. Make a note on this. Yeah. I have covered two classes till now. What is the first class name? First class name? Label encoder. Second one? You have to please be focused on classes and methods also. It will be helpful for you. There is a one question online, Charan. But fit underscore transform, is it returning array? How did it convert into data frame actually? Okay. Sir, left hand side, if you are directly providing single variable, it returns array. It returns array. If you are directly providing in this syntax, what exactly happen? Data frame and with the existing values overriding the old values with the new value. Little Python syntax you have to work around actually. This one is a little Python syntax. Okay. Sure. The next one. Transforming the features. What is the next one? Transforming the features. Hold on. I will show you one example. This is not much important, but let me show you what is the example. You talk with me. This is input, sir. First of all, this is the input. What is input actually? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so 30, 60 actually. Now, you have to please make a note. 10 value transforming to 20 and a 20 value transforming into 30 and respectively 60 became like what exactly? 70. I'm sure if you really remember NumPy actually, what exactly? NumPy. You can create an array. Value plus array automatically will get this value. Did you remember? Exactly here we can apply actually. What we can do is create an array. Array plus 10. By default you will get this value actually. By default what exactly mean? This value you will get. But instead of that one you can still apply like this also. Some hardware you have to do. I mean to say we are not using this example in real time. But still let me tell you. You can import so and so function transformer class and you can just try to create an array. Array is created actually. And for this, any idea what is this one? We have imported a class and we are creating what exactly? Object. Here is the story. Whenever you are creating an object, generally here you are passing the parameter as a name of the function. I'm repeating again. You are passing parameter as what exactly? Name of the function. In Python, there is one topic. The topic name is called as a decorator. What is the topic? Decorator actually. What is the meaning of decorator? So we are passing a function name as a parameter. You can pass actually. You can pass decorator. Right. Now this function, it will be triggered automatically. No parenthesis, only name of the function. And you can just try to provide name of the column. What is the name of the column here actually? A kind of you can just try to provide one parameter. This parameter become like, data frame actually. And for that data frame, you are just directly passing the 10 value. And this function, it will be triggered automatically, sir. Then directly will get as a result actually. You will get what exactly a result. Now here you need to call a method. Method name is a transform. But hold on. Move on to the next example. The same example. Hold on. Let me implement by using array. Let me implement by using what exactly, sir? Array. Come on. Let's just try to take this one. Daniel. I have created an array. Print of F. Very simple. F plus 10. Did you remember? See, automatically we got it like this actually. We gurutunda, sir. That's why these are all things not at all required actually. But still, if you wanted to apply some customized operation also, you can apply actually. Here, as of now, I have applied kind of some additional operation. Now this is transforming the features. Transforming the feature. Important interview question, sir. Important interview question. The question will be, make sure you have to understand this. Handling outlier. What is the topic? Talk with me. Handling outlier actually. By this time you already know what do you mean by outlier. The value which is very far from the common data. That is called as an outlier actually. Okay. Handling outlier. How many ways would you have? These are all ways would you have. I will read this theory. Hold on. You can drop the outlier if you want. You can, so mark them as a Boolean condition and you can transform into feature. I will show you. Walk through the example. Look at this data. Come on, try to understand. I have created a data frame. How many columns actually? 3 columns. First one, price. Next one, rooms, square foot actually. Okay, cool. And this one is a price. How many bedrooms? 2. This is the price. 3 BHK. Again 2 BHK. This is the price. Now let me tell you, what is this, sir? Outlier. It might be real value, but let me tell you, so generally if a real estate person is there, if a person is coming, by default his expectations can be either he is looking for 2 BHK or 3 BHK actually. But let me tell you suddenly, he got a project from Hyderabad. They wanted to construct parliament actually, or else assembly. Yeah, they need more rooms. They need what exactly? But let me tell you, this value is not at all required as of now. ML algorithm, if you are providing this one, I'm sure you already know. If we have a outlier, there are some statistics it can affect actually. What first value? Mean it can affect. What it can affect? Then we need to handle this value. Imagine it can be real value, but as of now, I don't want this value actually. We need to handle. Now that is called as a handling outliers. Handling what exactly? Outlier. First of all, I will show you. Let me talk with online team. Online team, I need response man. Rishi sir, is it? Did I given 0 to 2? I'm sure I might have given 0 to 1. 0 to 1 only I have given, sir. I didn't given 0 to 2. Oh, you tried it actually. Nice. Cool. Handling outlier. Come on. This is quite interesting. You will get a more interest. Now the topic will be handling outlier. First off, let me create a pandas. Okay, cool. Let us just import the pandas. Now let us create empty data frame. You know how to create empty data frame. Now my data frame name is a houses. Okay, cool. You guys look so dull. I don't know what happened. Are you okay today? Okay, fine. Now I'm sure left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, it means to say that we are adding a column to the existing data frame. What is the column name? Price. Let's run this code actually. Single column data frame. What data frame? Single column data frame. Single column data frame. Good. Let me just try to add one more column. Rooms. Okay, Daniel. 2 columns. We done. These are all during pandas we done actually. I'm sorry. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, for the existing data frame, we are adding a column. Point number 1. Point number 2. If the column name is already available, we are replacing old values with what exactly? New values. New values. Okay. Let me create one more column. Column name is a square foot. Now let us run this. Great. Student, data frame is ready. What is ready? Now we need to handle the outlier. We need to handle not missing value, outlier actual. Good. What is outlier? By looking at this one, you can understand. So generally, if it is a real estate person, on an average, he can go for less than 5. Less than what exactly? Either 2 BHK or 3 BHK. 4 BHK very rare actually. Mostly 3 BHK. People can like. It's like a Gordon. 4 BHK means it's like a, so villa, that is okay. Now here you can make a note. First point, filtering the outlier, very, very important, sir. Very, very important. How to filter the outlier actually. Now what exactly we are doing, this we are using in our real-time project actually. Okay, cool. We can filter the data by applying a condition, right? So maybe I have taken just for fun 20, but let us just try to take less than 5. Let us just try to take what exactly? Less than 5. Come on. You can just try to come here. You can just try to take rooms less than 5. Less than what exactly? 5. Any idea what output you will get actually? Em output vastudu telusa? Come again. Can somebody tell me what is output actually? Very good. What output? Boolean. Why Boolean? Any idea? Yeah, you are using relational operator. Ammo, insert chala chalaga undi. Yeah, Boolean value. Daniel, I mean to say less than 5. Yeah, these are all passing. Is it less than 5? True. Is it less than 5? True. True. Is it less than 5? No, false actually. Then indirectly we have created a condition. Now this condition we need to pass to the data frame. Create a variable like this. House is off. And here you need to pass CON. Now children. Wow. We filter the data. Exactly. We have filtered the data. Can I get a response from you? Now good. Very good. Take this example. This is the one approach. Second one. Sir, damn sure enter question. The second one will be. Go back. Let me just try to print the data frame as usual. I would like to print the data frame. Houses. Good. Now, look at the output, sir. Look at the output actually. What exactly happened here? You talk with me. Imagine we are creating one more new column. That new column name is a outlier. In that new column name, we are adding a one value. Is it outlier? No. No in the sense 0. Yeah. Is it outlier? No. No in the sense 0. Is it outlier? Yes. Then you can just try to add into what exactly? 1. Quite interesting. How to add this one? Really very good actual. How to add this one, sir? Now make a note on this one. I have one small question for you. What is the where actually here? Very good. It is a function because you are calling by using numpy package name. No uppercase. Then it is not a class. It is a function. Right. This function takes 2 parameters, man. I'm sorry. This function takes 3 parameters. This function takes what exactly? 3 parameters. First parameter condition you need to provide. What we need to provide? If the condition result is a true, automatically second value it can fill automatically. Hey Daniel, this one is a true. Let us fill up with the 0. Condition is the true. Fill with the 0. Condition is the true. Fill with the 0. Condition is the false. If condition result is a false, instead of this one, it can fill up with the third argument actually. It can fill up with what exactly? Third argument. Meeku ardhamaindha sir. I will show you. You will get an idea. Now, import numpy as a NP. House is off. You need to create a column. Column name is a outlier. Okay, Daniel. NP dot where takes 3 parameter. Parameter number 1, parameter number 2, parameter number 3. Okay, cool. First parameter, you have to provide the condition. Okay, what is the condition? House is off, rooms less than 5. Okay. If it is less than 5 or less than 4, let me tell you, I wanted to fill the value with the Daniel. So that you can confirm. Daniel. Otherwise, I just wanted to fill the value with kind of some, Naresh actually. Now look at my screen, sir. Screen chudani meeku ardham avutundi. Okay. Where are all true? What exactly happened filling with? Daniel. Where are all result is a false filling with what exactly? So this is something like working like a if else condition. What condition? If else condition. Such a great example actually. In one line we are doing everything. That is really beautiful. Where? Where condition actually. Okay. No, no, not like that, sir. I mean to say that, understand this one. Imagine whenever you are running this example, if this condition result is a true, then it will fill up with this value. Fill up with this value, first value. First value. Imagine if the result is the false, then what will do, it can skip this one actually, it never touch this value and it automatically move on with the next value. What is the next value? Naresh. It can fill up with the Naresh actual. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Important. That's what even happening here. Okay. Yeah. Online team, what about you? I need one response from anybody. Great understanding. All online team members, you are very clear actually. You are very clever and clear. Let us move on with the next one. Yeah. So here, instead of Daniel, pass with 0. Instead of Naresh, pass with 1. Now look at this. Is it outlier? 0. No. Is it outlier? Yes. Yes, actually. If you want, still you can do. Is it outlier? And here you can say no. Is it outlier? Talk with me. Yeah, this is the best explanation. You can easy to understand. Like this also you can pass. But why I have chosen numerical data? Machine learning algorithm likes numerical data. Whenever you are doing something, think about ML actually. ML cannot accept. If it is again categorical data, sir, again you need to convert into numerical data. Gone case actual. I don't want that headache. That's what we are doing. We are making like a numerical value. We are making like what value? Numerical value. 1 minute. Rishi, can you do something similar using the filter mapping function? Sir, there are many ways. Trust me, if you ask to the chat GPT, you may get a lot of ways, but I can say this one is the best way actually. Okay, cool. So let's just try to take this example. 1 minute. Let me add this example into the running notes. Now, instead of yes or no, let me just try to add 0. And here it should be 1. Best way actually. We are good to go. These are all you have to practice, sir. These are all you have to practice actually. No, I'm sorry. Somebody called. 2 persons called. Yeah, tell me. Outlier. Yeah. Good question. Let me tell you. In real time, in project I will cover actually. Good question. What madam is asking? Hey Daniel, here directly you recognized outlier, right? But in real time, whenever you are getting the data, first one create the data frame. Yeah, good. So load the data. Whenever you are loading the data, we'll get as a data frame. We'll get what exactly? Data frame. Then the third point will be recognize outlier. What is that? Recognize outlier is actually. How to recognize outlier? We need to apply formula. Apply what exactly? Formula. After formula came, you need to proceed to handle actual. Then the fourth step is handle the outlier. Handle the what exactly? Outliers actually. That's what we are doing. This I will explain during the project actually. As of now, I'm skipping this step actually. Got it, I guess. Okay. Yeah. Yes, applying the formula. Here, recognize the outlier. There are 2 types of actually. Small outlier. The next one will be, yeah, good. I hope you already know large outlier. According to that formula also, we have covered actually. Is it? Yeah. No, Henrik. One step. Sir, here where is a function? It is taking first parameter as a condition. If the condition result is the true, automatically second value will come. If the condition result is the false, automatically third value it will come actually. Fixed. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Next one. Imputing missing value. Imputing what value? Missing value. Such a great discussion. Get ready to understand. Did you remember in pandas, there is a topic. The topic number will be, what is the chapter number? Did you remember? 12th actually. 12th. The topic name is called as a handling missing value. What is the topic name? Handling missing value. Yeah. Almost we have seen kind of some drop in here. The next one will be fill in here. The next one will be replace method. What method? These are all scenarios I have covered. Let me tell you few more scenarios also we have. Those scenarios let me cover actually. You will get an idea. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Now this topic name is called as a imputing. You can also call it as a substitute. Imputing the missing values. Imputing what value? Missing value. Okay, good. Let us learn in feature engineering. Let us, so learn in feature engineering topic. We can impute missing values with a different strategy. This is actually called as a strategies. So there are two types of missing values. One is a numerical missing value. The next one is a categorical missing value. If it is a numerical missing value, Daniel, how to handle? There are exactly 4 strategies, man. Listen, important interview question. During interview, they will ask actually. Imagine I do have a data having numerical missing value. How to handle? There are 4 ways. Madam, there are 4 ways. Can I show you? Yeah, this is the important. Impute missing numerical value. Missing numerical values we can impute with a different strategy. The first one is the mean strategy. In pandas we already done, right? But here is a different, quite different syntax. I will show you. The next one is a median also can apply. Next one, most underscore frequent. Next one, constant actually. Very, very important. You can use any one of these actually. Okay. I will tell you the scenario when we can go for which one actually. Now let's ready, sir. Very, very important. Please be focused actually. I wanted to hear from you. First one, come and read everyone. Mean, median, most underscore frequent. Next one, most underscore frequent means mode actually. What is that? Mode value. Wow. First of all, I have created a data frame. In the given data frame, there are 3 columns: marks, gender, result. As of now, I am planning to focus only on one column. Column name is a marks. What is the column name? Now here would have a numerical value. Would have a kind of some missing values also. Now, how to handle this numeric missing value? I am going to handle by using feature engineering technique. By using what technique? Let's move on, sir. Get ready. First of all, let me create a data frame. You will get an idea. We are importing the required libraries. Okay, cool. Students. These are all very easy. By this time you should know. Any idea what is the data frame here? What is the syntax? One small interview question, let me tell you. One small interview question. That small interview question will be, imagine the first one is called as a positional argument. What is the first one? Positional argument. The next one is called as a keyword argument. What is the next one? Keyword argument. Let me tell you, the order should be the same. Order should be first always positional argument. The next keyword arguments. No, Daniel, this I will give here, this I will give here, you will get an error actually. Meek error ostadi. Did you understand or not, sir? I mean to say, uh, imagine in your program, I just like to use combination of positional argument and keyword argument actually. Do you wanted to use the combination of positional argument and keyword argument? That is okay, that is fine. Always you have to specify, the first one is a positional argument. Always you have to specify first one. Yeah, what is the positional argument here actually? Students, that is okay. Students in the sense data you have taken. First of all, do you know positional argument? Yo, sir, in Python I covered actual. In Python, functional port number 2. Then this one is called as a keyword argument actually. What argument? Now we'll do one thing. Let us just try to run this code. You will get an output. Yeah, we got an output. Let us just try to apply in a reverse way. Syntactical, it will not accept. What you are specifying first actually? Keyword argument. What you are specifying? Positional argument. Sir, syntax error. What error you know? Positional argument follows what exactly? Keyword argument. Keyword argument. First you need to write the positional argument. Then you have to write the keyword argument. Otherwise, one more option. This one, if you want, you can write keyword argument again actually. If you started the cinema with the keyword argument, all should be keyword argument only. All should be keyword argument only. Meeku ardhamainda leda sir? Okay, let's take this one. Important interview question. Why error actually? Because we have written here keyword argument and here we have written positional argument, right? Now can I specify the error also? Error chala clear ga cheptundi. Daniel, you have given something went wrong. You have given something wrong. It is giving suggestion for us actually, right? So the error will be chadandi error, syntax error, description. Positional argument follows keyword argument actually. Positional argument is the first one. Okay, good. Anyway, you understand this. Let's move on. For your kind information, tomorrow we are going to close feature engineering. Saturday exam. Saturday, what exactly exam? Monday we are going to start machine learning. So machine learning is such a core topic in data science. If you wanted to become data scientist, you have to please be focused on 3 topics very clearly. 3 topics. First topic is the Python. Second one is pandas. Third one, machine learning. If you are very good in these 3 topics, trust me, you will become data scientist automatically. That's a beautiful. You should not miss any topic actually. When it comes to Python, pandas, these are all quite interesting. Machine learning is more interesting actually. By using machine learning, we are doing the predictions. We are doing what exactly? Let me tell you, Amazon, it is doing the prediction regularly. Next month, how many sales? Next month, what exactly? How many sales? Let us just try to take recently, Geo, they have released e-cycle, I guess actually. Am I right? Electric cycle. Have you seen the news? Now they already done the prediction. How many people they are going to buy actually? Every business point of view, they need a prediction, sir. They need what exactly? Then only they can survive. That's what whenever you are going for MBA related jobs actually, they will give targets. They will give what exactly? The targets, they already know the prediction. Get ready. You have to do 10 sales actually. Why you done 5 only? Then if you are cross questioning why 10 means data is talking. Last to 10 days you done 10 sales actually. Today you done only 5 sales. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Machine learning is quite interesting. Be regular. I'm sorry for saying, if you are missing at least one session in machine learning, I'm sorry, the connectivity is too difficult actually. The connectivity is too difficult. At least, please don't miss any session. Okay, cool. Online team, are you getting or not, sir? Okay. Yeah, please ask. Somebody is asking quick question. Rishi Garu, you can ask. Go back. You can just have to apply here. This one should be at last. Now this one is valid example. You good? We got a data frame. We got a data frame. This one I don't want non-value Daniel. Then you can just have to come here. What you can do, you know, here we are providing string data, right? np.nan. This one also np.nan. Cool. Nice. Perfect. Now these are all having none values. These are all having none values. But let me tell you, the next 2 to 3 examples, we are mainly focusing on this column. We are mainly focusing on. Why? Because you should understand how to handle missing numerical value. Later you can understand how to handle, you know, categorical missing value. This is the upcoming topic. As of now, kindly focus on this one example actually. Sir, very, very important. Focus on this. Let's take this. You can pass here. Make a note on this. Yeah, good. Very, very important, sir. If you understand one example, other examples are very easy. Any idea what is this? Class. We are importing the class. What is the next strategy? Creating an object. What is the next one? Calling the method. Here quite interesting. One small twist actual. Calling method only. But before calling the method, we need to do some processing. Yeah. Importing the class, creating an object, calling method only. But before calling the method, till now we call method directly. But before calling the method, we have to apply some processing. That's what I'm telling. This is very, very important. Please be focused actually. Okay. Let us import the class first actually. Okay. Daniel, I have imported the class. Then create an object. Creating object syntax is this one. We have created an object like this. Okay, good. Good. Whenever you are creating an object, get ready. You have to provide my favorite syntax. What is that? Keyword argument. Here also keyword argument. Missing value. I'm planning to handle the missing value. What do you mean by missing value? You have to specify. Missing value in the sense, you know, np.nan. Where are all these kind of values would you have? Please apply the strategy. That strategy is what exactly mean. The moment when you provide strategy, explicitly you no need to calculate mean. Did you remember in pandas? We calculated the mean. We have applied mean actually. Sir, meeku pandas gurtunda? Yeah, thank God actually. But here, the moment whenever you are applying strategy equals to mean actually, this class automatically done the calculation actually. Now what is object name here? Talk with me. What is object name? Imputer. Now what is the next step actually? Guess the next step. Call in the, very good. Hold on. Daniel, till now, that whole session is actually calling the method. Calling what exactly method is the next step actually. Next step. You are absolutely right. You guys are absolutely what exactly right. But let me tell you. Let me tell you. You can just have to come here. Yeah. This strategy we are planning to applying on which column actually? A column మీద మనం apply చేస్తున్నాం. Marks column. Am I right? Marks column. Good. Now we can just have to come here. Make a note on this one. This is the method. This is what exactly method, right? This one is a method. Please understand. Understand. Yeah, good. You are calling imputer object name dot fit underscore transform method. What method? Fit underscore transform method. Here is the story. Fit underscore transform method will accept parameter. Will accept what exactly? Parameter. That parameter should be, listen carefully, that parameter should be single column array data only. What data, sir? Single column array. Single column what exactly? Array. If you are giving any other data, it cannot digest actually. I mean to say that we are going to call fit underscore transform method. We supposed to give here marks column. What column? Chappandi. Marks column. Then we have to transform that marks column into single column array data only. Otherwise we'll get an error. Otherwise we'll get what exactly? Now what we need to do? Before calling this method, do little process. Access that column. What is the column name? Marks. It is available in the data frame. Whenever you are accessing the single column, we'll get a series. We'll get what exactly? Series actually. Now here, do you think this method will accept series actually? No. This method will accept what exactly? Single column array. Then that series we need to convert into single column array. Meeku ardhamainda leda sir? I will repeat one more time. First let me continue actually. You will get an idea. What I mean to say that is, only this case. Only this case. Only this case actually. Good. This method is accepting as a parameter. Then this parameter should be, I'm sure you already know marks column. But let me tell you, marks column should be, what exactly should be in the form of, yeah, chappandi, single column array data. Single column what exactly? Otherwise this method will throw the error. It will not digest actually. It will not digest. Are you with me? Good. Come on, let's move on. Then what we need to do, Daniel? Now first of all, let me just have to accept. Okay. So data frame of mocks data. Data frame of what exactly? Mocks data. Very nice. Cool. You are getting this one actually. There are many ways to convert into, sir, from the data frame, we capture outside actually, it is a series data. But what we need actually? Single column array. What array? Single column array. Now you have to think, this one is a series. I need to convert into single column array. What we need to do, you know, there are two ways I will tell you. There are two ways I will tell you. First way is a little difficult. Second way is the very easy. Over this series, you can call a attribute. Attribute name is a values. What is attribute? Values actually. Okay, let us just have to call values. Then it will return, what it will return, you know, row array it will give actually. Okay. It is giving kind of some row. But what we need actually? Column. First of all, it is array only, but it is giving row. Any idea? What is this actually? Idendu cheptara evarana? Attribute. Then what we need to do, you know, sir, the next step will be, you have to call reshape of 1, 1, minus 1, comma 1 actually. The moment whenever you are calling this one, reshape during numpy I covered actually. Reshape is the method. Now look at my screen, you will get a nice clarity actually. Wow, exactly we are getting like this. Exactly. Now, this data only will accept fit underscore transform method actually. Can I get a response from you? This is the way. First syntax is a quite complex. This syntax koncham kashtam, but దీనికంటే best way ఏంటో చెప్పమంటారా? So what is the best way, you know? You can just have to delete if you want actually. You need a single column data, right? First of all, capture. Okay. Capture single column array. Yeah, it is a single column array. I'm sorry, single column data frame. Then after this, apply values. Yeah. In real time, we are doing like this actually. If it is a single column data frame, if you apply dot values actually, we'll get like this also. This one is very easy. Kada? You can go for this one also. Are you with me or not, sir? Then can I continue tomorrow? Yeah, fine. This example I will continue tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Coming Saturday exam. Yeah, you can start let you go actually. Let's upload the material. Online team, thank you for joining. బాగా వేడుకోండి సార్. Pause 1 minute. Now let me upload running notes too. Rohit, I will share. Rohit Garu, I forget I will share actually. Maybe this night itself I will share. NLP only, right? I will share. I'm sorry. Online team, thank you, sir. Thank you for joining today's session.